the chief. Can you hear me? Answer me! Typical. Typical! Officer Knight here. We're on the roof of the abandoned expendable warehouse. Over and out.
So long, suckers! Won't have to worry about you anymore.
What's he talking about? It's a bomb!
There's a bomb up here!
Clear everyone out of the warehouse. It's abandoned. Then they have to leave. There's no one here.
I don't care! Get him out!
Let's see. Green means go. Red means not ripe. Unless it's an apple. Red apple's ripe. I guess red's usually ripe. Unless it's a lemon. Are there any red lemons? Green? Green! Got it! Wait, aren't dogs colorblind?
This is Sarah Haddock standing outside the major hospital in town in the rain without an umbrella. That's how serious this is. What will be the fate of Officer Knight and Greg the dog?
I'm sorry to say, Mr. Cop, that your head is just no good anymore. And your body is no good either, Cop Doggy.
I got an idea.
Oh, tell me, nurse, what's your idea?
What if we sew the dog's head onto the man's body?
Great idea and stuff.
This is Sarah Haddock reporting live from the major hospital in town. This just in, it stopped raining. And doctors and nurses have successfully saved Officer Knight and Greg the dog by creating